It's been raining a bit last night, and today we're going to the beach, so that's gonna be nice. And also the roads are quite muddy now, so let's see how the tuk-tuk fares.
Once we left the muddy roads, we were making our way past ancient pagodas towards the coastline. As the surrounding areas got wetter again, we noticed we were getting closer to the beaches, where we also spotted our first wildlife.
We just arrived now on the beach in some bird sanctuary here. Yeah, some nice waves going on. I'm not sure if we can go for a swim. I think there might be pretty strong currents, but we'll see. Now we're probably going to go to some blowhole later, and I think we also found a really good restaurant in the area, like top 50 in Asia, so we might check that out later too.
After leaving the beach, we headed straight to our accommodation before heading out again to grab dinner and watching a breathtaking sunset. The next morning in Hirikitia, I headed out on my own to go surfing.
Some very smart person used his GoPro for 3 weeks and didn't do a single backup. And now went surfing with it, and in the first wave it immediately got taken from my wrist and was gone. Obviously also no float backpack. But I was super lucky. There was some local dude that took his goggles and went looking for it with me, and after like less than 5 seconds we found it. So there's actually some GoPro footage in this video.
After I got my GoPro back, we reunited and decided to head out and look for some turtles.
We're on the beach now. There's a turtle point back there. There's a lot of waves today, so I'm not sure if we can actually see them, but we're still gonna try. Got it, or it got me. It actually bumped into me. I didn't even see it. We actually saw multiple turtles. I didn't expect that. The visibility was shit, but yeah, there are quite a few turtles here at Turtle Point.
Once I successfully got a sunburn and found some turtles, we headed back to Hirikitia. We ended the evening by watching the surfers and the fishermen do their thing.